Yes, this is my first time coming to this event. I'm currently attending this conference, learning about mentorship, leadership, persistence, networking with other students from various colleges and high schools. The event has been tremendous. I've had many aha moments, and the speakers have been incredible and have shared enlightening and heartfelt stories and lessons of their lives. I just want to thank all the people that were involved in putting it together, and thank all the time and effort and the work that they put in to make this tremendous event here today.